Montfort Higher Secondary School in Champaknagar hosted its annual Investiture Ceremony on Sunday, marking the formal induction of the new Student Council for the academic session. The solemn ceremony was graced by the member of District Council, Jiten Debbarma, as a chief guest.
Our school. Today is a very special.
During the program, MDC Jiten Debbarma handed over the official badge and leadership awards to the newly elected student cabinet, school captains, and house prefects. The newly appointed student leaders then took a formal oath to discharge their duties with integrity, dedication, and school spirit. Addressing the gathering of students, teachers, and parents, MDC Debbarma congratulated the young leaders and emphasized the role of academic discipline in shaping future citizens.
In Montfort Higher Secondary School, and also I like to thank all the teachers, staff, and of course, I also thank my dear student, today is Investiture Ceremony, especially leaders for the government. So I'm not going to stop. I don't think too much your better time. And so this is finally the so this is video leaders is very important and leaders is and always there will be one first time. There is no decision, it's a guest ceremony, and one final. So, now, leaders of the evening, and we welcome our society. Leadership is not about putting the position. It is about taking responsibility and setting a good example for others. I say, all of
Pure report, Chini Khorang.